How great is our stand. How great, sing with me, and how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. How great.
This is RevMichelleMann.
Many folks have been saying that they've been stopped from logging into Facebook with this message. Let me read it to you. It says, "Hi in your name. We're continuously working to keep your account secure. We've noticed that this device may be infected with malicious software. To continue to use Facebook, you can either use other devices or clean this device by downloading the scanner provided by Facebook and Kaspersky Lab. Do not download this scanner. It is a scam. It will shut you down and keep you in a loop, keep you continually scanning, and you won't be able to do anything. And you still will not be able to get back on Facebook. There's a way around this. First, log out of Facebook. Go to the menu that shows the settings, go to More Tools, Developer Tools, and hit that. That will bring you in to another menu. What you want to do is go to the menu in this menu, More Tools, and go to Network Conditions. In Network Conditions, you want to select automatically, unclick select automatically. And what you want to do is choose a Mac. You want to choose one of these Mac operations. I chose Opera Mac. And while you're still open in this, you want to sign in and use your password, and that will get you into Facebook. Let me show you. Now, the first time I signed back into Facebook, it brought me back to a page that looks similar to this, but it gave me the option to opt out of it. All you have to do is check that box that you're on a Mac, and it will fool Facebook into not forcing you to download this, or whatever scammer this is. I don't believe it is Facebook and Kaspersky Lab actually that's doing this. I believe this is a scam that's doing this because it puts information on your computer that allows this to take place. You simply check this box and it will let you in. Just like that. Now, once you have done that, you need to go through your computer, and I will put this in the description box. You need to find this particular file and anything to do with scanners or Facebook and Kaspersky scanners, and delete them from your computer if you at all can.
This is Rev Thank you for watching, and God bless you.
My heart will sing, how great is our God.